Hi everyone, a few key points to make about our language debate. First, you have been assigned a team. You can find out what team you're on by looking at our D2L announcement page if you haven't already done so. These are the people you need to stay in close communication with. If you want to email someone, you need to use D2L email. You can use other sources, but I think everyone has access to D2L email. And so communicating that way is recommended. So you should be checking your email because you may have someone else on your team trying to get a hold of you. A second thing, kind of what is due, I suggest that you meet 2 days from now on September 10th and talk with your team members. Someone on your team should set up a Zoom meeting. That would be your manager, and some of you who have 3 students only in your team, you might just need to share this responsibility, have one person volunteer to set up the Zoom meeting. Send out the link to your other teammates, get together and talk about what point are you going to present in support of your side of the debate. So there's a lot of information on this. Please read through it. It's on our D2L announcement page, and it is in our content for this week under debate instructions. Okay, so if you have a team member who cannot meet on the 10th or is having difficulty with the time, it is fine to flex that time and day to the point where everyone can make it. On September 15th, which is a week from today, it's our next Tuesday Zoom meeting. Prior to our meeting, you have an assignment due. So basically what it is a less than 1 page, a couple of paragraphs maybe, explaining what point you are going to make in the debate. If you're a manager, you don't need to send this submission in, but the teams with 3 don't really have an assigned manager role, so each of the 3 people will be presenting a point. Okay, those people who are managers will be submitting a different assignment, so don't worry. They'll have their piece to submit as well. So submitting this about 1 page, a little bit less than 1 page summary of your point that you'll be presenting in the debate earns you 24 points. You do need to submit it before class starts, so it's about a half hour before class starts on Tuesday the 15th, so that you can make good use of the time during our Zoom meeting for preparation with your team. So each person who is presenting a point in the debate will be held accountable for 4 minutes of presenting their point. So this means it would be a good idea to practice and to say it out loud, to stand in front of a mirror, to talk to anybody at home who will talk with you, or you can do a recording and listen to yourself so that you have a nice smooth recording with good presentation skills for the debate. So the actual debate itself, I have suggested scheduling that for the 17th of September, which is another Thursday. It's almost 2 weeks out, week and a half or so. And I suggest Thursdays because that would have been the other day that our class would have met. We do not have very many group assignments during this class period. This is probably the hardest one to get organized, and then it's easier than this. So hang in there. This is the one time around with it. And doing the debate earns you another 24 points. Managers or a volunteer, if you only have 3 people, will be sending me a little short synopsis of the debate, telling me who presented what points and approximate timing for people. So I know we'll have more questions, and you are welcome to email me, and I can try to answer your questions, or you can talk with your team members. And a week from today, when we're in class on the 15th, we will have some time to clarify a lot of remaining questions about the debate. But make sure that you are meeting with your team members and you're developing that language paragraph to have it submitted before class on the 15th. Okay, thank you.